Stocks versus crypto, two of the most talked about investments in the world right now. But if you had to choose just one, which would you trust with your money? Today, we're breaking down the ultimate investment showdown. Stocks have been around for centuries. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. If that company grows, your stock becomes more valuable. Simple, right? Companies use stocks to raise money. You, as an investor, benefit if the company performs well. Some even pay dividends, cash payouts, just for owning the stock. The stock market is highly regulated. It's backed by real businesses that sell real products and services. That's why many investors see it as safer than other investments. But stocks aren't perfect. Prices can drop suddenly, especially during recessions. You can still lose money if you panic and sell at the wrong time. On the flip side, crypto is the new kid on the block. Bitcoin was created in 2009, and since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have exploded onto the scene. Unlike stocks, crypto isn't tied to a company. It's digital money secured by blockchain technology. No banks, no governments controlling it. The big appeal of crypto, massive potential gains. Early Bitcoin investors made millions, even billions. The growth can be jaw-dropping, but that growth comes with insane volatility. One tweet, one news headline, and your portfolio can tank overnight. Crypto is also less regulated. That means big risks, scams, hacks, and coins that vanish out of nowhere. So, how do the two compare? Stocks are stable, historically reliable, and best for long-term growth. Crypto is fast, risky, and potentially life-changing if you can stomach the roller coaster. Stocks have decades of data showing steady returns, usually around 7 to 10% per year on average. Crypto, on the other hand, can go up 300% one month and crash 80% the next. There's no real historical baseline yet. But let's be real, stocks can make you rich slowly, while crypto can make you rich or broke very quickly. If you're a long-term, cautious investor, stocks are your friend. You can pick strong companies, hold for years, and let compound interest work its magic. If you love risk, volatility, and don't mind losing money along the way, crypto might be more your style. But why not both? Diversification is key. Many smart investors put most of their money in stocks and a small percentage in crypto. That way, you get the stability of stocks while still having a chance at crypto's big gains. Think of stocks as your financial foundation, like bricks. Crypto is the lightning bolt, powerful but unpredictable. For example, if you had $10,000 to invest, you might put $9,000 in stocks and $1,000 in crypto. If crypto blows up, great. If it crashes, you're still okay. Some people treat crypto like a lottery ticket, fun, exciting, but not something to bet your entire future on. Another big difference, stocks represent ownership. You're part of a business. Crypto is speculation. You're betting on demand. That's why stock prices are tied to earnings and growth, while crypto prices are tied to hype, adoption, and supply. But here's the catch. Crypto is slowly gaining more real-world use. Payments, NFTs, DeFi, this is just the beginning. Stocks, however, will always be around. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon aren't going anywhere. Even billionaires diversify. They hold stocks, real estate, and yes, some even own crypto. Because ultimately, investing isn't about one winner. It's about managing risk and growing your wealth. So which is better? If you want proven results, stocks win. If you want high risk and high reward, crypto might excite you more. But the smartest strategy is this. Build wealth with stocks, then spice things up with a little crypto. Imagine this. You steadily grow your stock portfolio over 10 years. Meanwhile, a small crypto investment explodes. That's the power of balance. Fear of missing out is real. People rush into crypto thinking they'll get rich overnight. Most of them don't. Meanwhile, people ignore stocks because they seem boring. But boring can make you rich. Slowly, steadily, and safely. At the end of the day, the best investment is the one you understand and can hold long-term without panic. If you panic every time prices drop, you'll lose in both stocks and crypto. Patience wins. Knowledge wins. Emotion? That's what gets investors wrecked. So here's the ultimate advice. Learn before you invest. Don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Decide your goals, your risk tolerance, and how much money you can afford to lose. Because crypto might be the future, but stocks will always be the foundation of wealth. Pick wisely. You don't have to choose one. You can have both. So are you team stocks, team crypto, or team both? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more smart money tips like this, make sure to subscribe. Your future self will thank you.